How long have I been wearing this head for? Who's it been for? Yeah. Ugh. Ugh. It's been a while since I've taken this head off. Looking good. Ow! Ow! Watch it! Ah! You're gonna poke my eye out. I need this for later.
Oh my god, I never thought you'd take the stupid head off. Just throw it out, flush it down the toilet, something.
Listen, bitch. How dare you say that about this head? I'm a very good-looking head. Oh, gentle! I need this head for later. No respect. Ugh.
Looks like I'm the prettier head after all. I'm gonna get to enjoy all the parties and all the action. Peace, bitch. Enjoy your Netflix and cat. Don't wait up for me, bitch. I'll be where all the action is.
Ugh! If I had hands, I'd bitch slap you.